Hi everyone, I'm gonna quickly show you how to make an escape room using Canva and Interactive. You will need a subscription for both. In order to create this, I am using Canva's website design. So let's quickly get into it. When you click on, of course, the website design, it'll bring up a blank page as I have here. You wanna go over to elements, you wanna type in something like brick wall, or whatever it is that you're looking for your wall. I would click all so that way you can have your options here. So I'm just going to go with this for now, this brick wall here. And of course, you're going to expand it so it covers the whole page. If by some chance it comes out funny when you click publish, just change the background to, maybe black or something. So that way it looks like it's blending in pretty well. So that's the first step. So once you have chosen your brick wall, you then want to choose your lettering. For me, I chose the neon lettering here. So I just typed that in and then added a button. And again, you're just going to go over to elements. You're going to type in buttons. And then at the bottom, you can add your text. Now, when it comes to adding a button here, you want to then right click, and on here, it's going to say link because I already have a link here. That's why it says edit link, but you're going to hit edit link. Once you hit edit link, you're going to create your first activity. I created all of my activities in Interactive. So this is the platform Interactive here, and these are the activities that I created. So as you can see, the first puzzle is Sophia's escape room puzzle. And basically I just went in and added the image and questions that needed to be added for the puzzle as well. And then once I am done, of course, Interactive gives you this cool link, of course, a QR code, and you can even download it as a PDF. So once you have all your puzzles together, as I do here, I then take the links and I'm plugging them back into Canva. Now, what I did do is I did create two websites. So let me show you the other website. So I did create two Canva websites in order to get this done. So the first one was just simply like a cover page, and then the second website is all of the doors. So you see at the top it says door 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sophia is not a fraud, and credit cards are not a scandal. For your next clue, click in the area of the door handle. So it's going to take the kids a little minute to find this one, but they're going to click over here in this area here. And then once they click here, it's going to take them to one of the activities in Interactive. Once they finish the activity in Interactive, it's going to then bring them to this next door. This one's a little easier because the lock is here. And then this one's going to take them back to Interactive for the next activity. Once they're finished with that, it'll bring them back again for the third door, in which they will click here. Once they solve the last puzzle, this bulk opens with cash just overflowing, and this is how the game ends. So I will quickly show you the navigation through the escape room. You don't have to purchase a domain in order to do this. So I'm going to click on Enter Room. And then at this time, you see the doors opening. So I'm going to click here, which then takes me to our first puzzle. And the kids are just going to move this around until they form a credit card. And when they form the credit card, it says you fix Sophia's credit card. So then they head to door number 2 and then click there. And then once they click there, they get here and this is Sophia's bag. So they're basically following Sophia, and they started an activity first before they got here. So Hills and Gucci so fine. With every swipe, she felt divine. Chanel and Prada, her closet did swell. Click around, someone has something to tell. So then the kids would just click around, and as you can see, nothing is happening. But when you click around the lips, my bills are piled high and I'm in debt. I promise to pay my credit card balance in full if I have to mail a check, even if I have to mail a check. And then you click over here, and then she might have something to say. Staying debt free is easy, and this is your chance. Never take cash off your credit card. This is called a cash advance. And the kids are going to need that clue later. And then when you get down here, I'm glad Sophia isn't stuck in her ways. Most grace periods are only 30 days. And again, that clue is going to later help them as well. So this enter button, they're not going to click that. They're going to click next. And then once they click next, they have to solve this puzzle. So money taken off a credit card has a high APR. It's called A. And she just told us it's a cash advance, and we want to make sure we're going down. And then as you can see, once it's completed, it says, congratulations, credit cards are awesome if you know how to use them. Then, of course, they get to back to door number 3. And when they get to door number 3, they now have to solve these. So who makes money off of credit cards? In this case, it's going to be members. A fee charged by a lender for borrowing money, and that's going to be interest. A card linked to a bank account, that will be your debit card. And then a card, and that's going to be your credit card. And then this is the final part right here. So on the kids' activity sheet, the question was, why did Sophia's credit card break up with her? And the answer to this riddle is she had too much baggage. And so it's a little joke, a little play on words, because of all the shopping she did in the scenario that they were reading. And then at the bottom it says, congratulations, stay out of debt, you have escaped. And then it brings them back to our original page here.